Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone. That moment when you hit install and Android basically says, yeah, your phone's not invited, can be pretty frustrating. This usually happens because the app just isn't compatible with your device. But there are a few things I always check before giving up. First, I go into settings and then go to about phone and see if my Android version is up to date. Some apps simply won't install unless you're on a newer version. If that checks out, I look at the app's Play Store requirements to see what it actually needs. Sometimes it's a version mismatch, other times it's storage, so I clear up at least 1 to 2 gig just to be safe. If I'm installing an APK, I make sure I don't already have an older version installed because that can block the install completely. Quick tip: if none of this works, it's likely hardware limitation. At this point, it's not you, it's just your phone being a little outdated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.